We are here in front of Basilica of Saint Quentin in France. I'm Father Nino Tulye, SJ, the Regional Superior of the Philippines, and at the same time, I'm the Geocultural Coordinator in Asia. I'm glad to be part of the Major Superiors meeting here in France. I really felt at home uh, to be with my brothers in the congregations, sharing about ideas, and also visiting the historical uh, part, churches, and life of Father Dihon here in France. I think the most important is the gathering of the superior, sharing of experience, and the spirit of Saint Onum in the congregations. We really felt that. And for me, it's really meaningful and successful, the Jubilee celebrations of the major superiors here in France. So all the best for all of us, for our missions, and let us keep the legacy of Father Tihons alive in our entities, in our mission, and let us keep praying for each other. So thank you very much for the time here, for the welcoming spirit and hospitality of the province of France. We really enjoy a lot here in France.